As the holiday lights are packed away and the festive cheer fades, the long stretch of winter can feel daunting. For many, this time of year brings more than just a dislike for cold weather. It can trigger a profound sense of sadness, lethargy, and disconnection known as seasonal affective disorder, SAD. While the exact causes of SAD are still being studied, it is widely believed that reduced sunlight during winter months disrupts circadian rhythms, serotonin production, and melatonin balance, contributing to its symptoms. While light therapy and conventional treatments like antidepressants can be effective, a growing number of people are turning to herbal remedies and natural approaches to help lift their spirits and regain balance during these darker months. Even individuals who don't meet the clinical criteria for seasonal affective disorder, SAD, can experience what's sometimes referred to as the winter blues. This is a milder form of seasonal mood change that doesn't significantly impair daily functioning, but still brings feelings of sadness, low energy, or a sense of disconnection. Herbal remedies for SAD tap into the wisdom of traditional medicine systems, offering gentle yet effective support for the mind and body. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Adaptogens, nervines, and uplifting herbs are some of the most useful categories to explore. Adaptogens, such as Rhodiola rosea, can bolster the body's resilience to stress and fatigue, common hallmarks of SAD. Rhodiola, in particular, has shown promise in improving mood and enhancing energy levels. Its unique ability to regulate cortisol levels and support mental clarity makes it an excellent ally during winter's gloom. For best results, Rhodiola is typically taken as a tincture or capsule, with effects becoming noticeable after several weeks of consistent use. Another adaptogen worth mentioning is ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. While it is primarily known for its calming and stress-reducing properties, it also supports the body's overall energy reserves, making it a dual-action remedy for both anxiety and fatigue. Ashwagandha can be taken in powdered form mixed with warm milk and honey, a soothing ritual to incorporate into cold evenings, or as a capsule for convenience. Nervines, which are herbs that support the nervous system, are invaluable in addressing the emotional and psychological aspects of SAD. St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, has earned a reputation as a natural antidepressant. Studies suggest that it can enhance serotonin levels and provide significant relief from mild to moderate depression. However, it is important to note that St. John's wort can interact with certain medications, including birth control pills and anticoagulants, so consultation with a healthcare provider is essential before use. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, is another nervine that shines during the winter months. Its gentle, uplifting properties make it ideal for soothing anxiety and restlessness, which often accompany SAD. Lemon balm can be enjoyed as a tea, steeped with honey for a touch of natural sweetness, or included in herbal blends designed to promote calm and clarity. Beyond adaptogens and nervines, other herbs with mood-enhancing properties include saffron and lavender. Saffron, a luxurious spice often associated with culinary delights, has been shown in studies to improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Its active compounds, crocin and safranal, are believed to influence serotonin levels in the brain. A small pinch of saffron threads steeped in warm milk or added to oatmeal can provide both a culinary and emotional lift. Lavender, meanwhile, is a well-known herb for its calming aroma. Diffusing lavender essential oil or drinking lavender-infused tea can help reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep, both of which are crucial in managing SAD. Household ingredients can also play a surprising role in alleviating seasonal blues. For instance, spices like cinnamon and nutmeg not only warm the body, but also support emotional well-being. Cinnamon has been shown to improve blood circulation and stabilize blood sugar levels, which can reduce energy crashes and mood swings. A steaming cup of cinnamon tea or a sprinkle of the spice in your morning coffee can offer a simple yet effective mood boost. Another pantry staple to consider is raw honey. Packed with natural enzymes and antioxidants, honey provides a gentle source of energy while supporting overall health. Incorporating a teaspoon of raw honey into herbal teas or drizzling it over yogurt can make these remedies both delicious and nourishing. The gut-brain connection also plays a significant role in mental health, making fermented foods a worthy addition to a SAD-focused diet. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha contain probiotics that support gut health, which in turn can influence mood regulation. Adding these foods to meals or enjoying them as snacks can complement the effects of herbal remedies. In addition to herbs and household ingredients, it is worth exploring lifestyle practices that amplify the benefits of natural remedies. Creating a daily ritual around herbal tea, for instance, not only delivers the therapeutic properties of the herbs, but also fosters a sense of mindfulness and self-care. Aromatherapy using essential oils like citrus or peppermint can invigorate the senses and combat mental fog, while grounding practices such as yoga or meditation help stabilize emotions. While herbal remedies and natural approaches provide valuable support for managing SAD, they are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Each person's experience with SAD is unique, and finding the right combination of herbs, diet, and lifestyle adjustments may take time. Patience and consistency are key to unlocking the full benefits of these remedies. Whether it is sipping on a calming cup of lemon balm tea, diffusing lavender oil before bedtime, or adding a pinch of saffron to your winter recipes, these simple yet powerful steps can bring light and warmth to the darkest days of the year. As winter stretches on, let the wisdom of herbal traditions guide you toward a brighter and more balanced season. The remedies and practices discussed here not only support emotional well-being, but also nurture the body and spirit, reminding us that even in the coldest months, nature provides an abundance of tools to help us thrive.